The poem, her voice was high and than anybody. Her presentation was better than everybody. And the person I am talking about is Lakshmi. And now I would like to welcome our principal sir, Mr. Bindu Kumar Shrestha, to congratulate her. Please welcome her. Welcome. Join her with the. And now the final person who is going to congratulate her is Isa Miss. Please join us together. She's going to talk again.
यहाँ उपस्थित सम्पूर्णमा मेरो हार्दिक मङ्गलमय शुभकामना। म लक्ष्मी समयमा कक्षा 7 मा अध्ययन गर्ने विद्यार्थी हुँ। म आज तपाईहरु सामु एउटा छोटो कविता प्रस्तुत गर्दैछु। मेरो कविताको शीर्षक रहेको छ मेरो सपनाको नेपाल। बडो